Hi everybody, tonight I'll be showing you guys how to make a delicious double skin milk pudding that Cantonese people eat for desserts at night. It's not every night, but tonight I'm going to be making it because my mom requested it, and yeah, let me just show you the recipe before I forget the recipe. So let me just make this recipe video so I'll remember forever. Okay guys, let me show you guys. Okay, it's very basic. Because we're making 3 servings, so 3 servings we'll need 3 eggs. So let's just grab some eggs over here in the fridge. Grab 3 eggs. 3 eggs, and then you just need full cream milk, and you just need some white or brown sugar. So let's do this. Okay, then you need just 3 bowls, but just make sure your bowls fit into your steamer before you proceed, or else once you prepare everything, then your bowls can't fit in the steamer, then you have to steam twice. So yeah, making 3 portions, and these bowls over here can fit nicely. Okay, so first we're going to heat up our milk. So I'm using this bowl over here. I'm just going to add in just like that, to make sure that you get enough milk for 3 bowls serving over here. So, but you also leave some space for the egg yolk, so you should understand what I'm saying. So just add that. And I'm just going to add just a little bit more for the 3rd bowl, like that. So now we're just going to warm up the milk, and then I'll show you guys the next step. Okay, while the milk is warming up, I'm just going to separate the egg whites and the egg yolks. So we're going to be using 3 egg whites over here for 3 servings of this double skin milk pudding. I like cracking the egg in the inside of the bowl so that it doesn't splatter everywhere. You see, when you crack, and then it just gives that little crack there. Yeah. Okay. While I'm separating these egg whites, my milk is warming up on low heat on my stove. Let's crack the egg inside. There you go. Leak all that egg white out there. Okay. One more. Okay, so we got 3 egg whites over here. Okay, now I'm going to be adding in 2 tablespoons of sugar. If you don't want it too sweet, you can just add in 1 tablespoon. But make sure it's sweet because this is a dessert, so it doesn't matter. Just adding 2 tablespoons of sugar here. Brown or white, doesn't matter. Now you just gotta get a whisk. Just whisk up the egg whites with the sugar nicely. Okay, let me just go check on the milk. Okay, let me just feel the milk here. Okay, it's hot. It's not so hot, but we We're just going to let this milk cool down for like 10 minutes so it can become warm. Because if the milk is too hot and you pour it together with the egg whites will turn into cooked egg whites, and you don't want that. So we're going to let this milk cool off first, and then we will mix it together. Okay, I'm just going to pour the milk in this ceramic bowl over here so it can cool down faster. Okay, just let that cool down for 10 minutes before we proceed. Okay guys, I won't be using those bowls because it won't fit all my steamed milk. So I'm just using these glass bowls over here. The milk is still very hot in this bowl, so I'm just going to pour some in these bowls over here so that it can cool down faster. Okay, you can see after we mix the egg whites with this milk, it should be enough for 3 portions over here. So just let this cool down for 10 minutes until it's warm. Okay guys, so the milk, it has cooled down. It's warm. So now let's just whisk up our eggs. Okay, luckily my mom came to check on me a little bit, because she told me these glass bowls over here won't fit nicely into the steamer, so I'll be using 2 of these and 1 of these bowls, or else it'll be too tight in the steamer and then you'll leave holes and the steam will escape and it won't form that double skin pudding that we want. Okay, so first I'm whisking back up my egg whites with the sugar over here. Just give it a good whisk, and then now we're just going to pour this back in with the egg whites. Do that, just give it a little whisk. Let's pour in more of this milk. Give it another good whisk. And let's do it again, the last bowl here. Okay, so we'll be using these 2 bowls over here and 1 of these bowls. Just whisk up give it a good 30 second to 1 minute whisk over here to make sure the egg whites fuse with the milk over here. You can see while you're doing this, it's forming a lot of bubbles on top, but we'll be using a sieve to sieve out the bubbles before we place it into the bowl. But I'll show you now. It's very quick. A quick whisk should be done. Very easy homemade Cantonese dessert that everyone knows in China. The Canton, Guangdong area, everyone loves this dessert. Even in summer we eat this when it's hot. Okay, if you have a sore throat, this is also a good recipe to try to soothe your throat. Good in calcium and also protein from the egg whites. Okay, just give that a good mix, it's fine now. Now I'm just gonna get a bigger spoon here. Just get a little sieve over here. See the bubbles on this spoon here. Just going to do like me. Do the sieve like that. Pour some in here so we can separate it nicely. 3 scoops per bowl. Okay, almost done. Put 1 scoop here. 1 scoop here. So yeah, basically it fits nicely for all of this over here. Okay, there you go. Now we're going to get some cling wrap. You're going to cling wrap each bowl. So while I'm doing this, I put my steamer on the gas heat there, so it's heating up. We're only going to place these inside the steamer once the steamer starts to steam a lot of steam. So you don't place it in when it's cold. Just cling wrap each bowl over here. Cling wrap, then place it onto a tray. We're going to steam this for 15 minutes and then it should be ready. If we steam it longer than 15 minutes, it won't be that smooth, guys. It'll be, I don't know, in Chinese they say it'll be very old. But yeah, you understand when you do baking. If you bake the cake for too long, what happens? It dries out. Same as with this recipe over here. As you can see, I showed you guys, it's very quick and easy to make. And if you guys give this recipe a try, let me know how it went and how it tastes. And if you like it, please don't forget to just give this recipe a like and comment. Okay, let's take it down to the steamer. Okay guys, as you can see, my steamer the water is starting to boil. So yeah, this is what you must do. Make sure it's super hot. Now let's just place this into our steamer and steam it for 15 minutes. You see, that other glass bowl wouldn't have fitted in here. The lid wouldn't have covered nicely. So yeah, let's just cover this. You see, now it covers nicely. Thanks to my mom, she told me, or else would have ended up in a little bit of disaster. Okay, so let's just let this steam for 15 minutes and it should be ready. Okay guys, it's ready after 15 minutes. Let's check this out. Ooh. Okay, let's grab a bowl and check if it's ready. It should be. Let's check it out. Okay, let's grab a teaspoon. Let's take off this cling wrap over here. Ooh, it's gonna be good, guys. Okay, let's just place a spoon. Okay, it's looking good. As you can see, it's floating. Let's just grab a little spoonful to show you guys close up. Ooh, super hot. Show you guys nicely. Ooh, wow, smooth double skim milk custard milk pudding over here, Cantonese style. Let's grab a bite. Okay guys, check that out. Look at that. Let's grab a bite. Guys, original. It's so good. You guys must give this recipe a try. And if you like it, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks guys for watching.